Today we're making a jalapeno fajita dip. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's dip is so good and I had to make it because of another recipe that I made, which may or may not have come out already. I'm pretty certain it has. I made fajitas, and they are a fajita wrap. They're so good, but this is a dip for it, and it is wonderful. All the ingredients are listed down below, but let's start this off. I have sour cream, mayonnaise. Now, if you want to make your own mayonnaise, you can click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make your own mayonnaise. This is half a cup of diced jalapenos. Now you can use less, you can use more, just depends how spicy that you want it, but remember that they are in there. And the other thing I would remember is these, I said diced and they really should be diced, but I like mine chopped, I'll admit it. So I just chopped mine up. I would always make this dip way ahead of time, so that way it can get hot and spicy. Well, I'll admit, it's really cool. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fajita seasoning. If you want to make your own fajita seasoning, you can click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make fajita seasoning. Mix that up really well. It smells wonderful. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Don't do what I did. I had to do mine for display to show you how to put the honey out there, but you can go ahead and take it straight from the container. And then the juice of 1 lime. Your goal now is you want to mix this until it is thoroughly incorporated. Once everything is mixed, it is done. I would refrigerate this until it's ready to use, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. That is spicy. That is good. That is really good. It is spicy, it is not overwhelming, but as the taste meld and everything together, it'll become even better. It's just a little bit sweet. You could leave out the honey. It has that lime hit to it. This is super, super good. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, which helps keep this channel going. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.